This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Wednesday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. The Consumer Price Index, the measure of prices paid at the retail level, was up 1.1% in June. That's after a 0.6% rise in May. Economists had been looking for only a 0.7% increase. Energy prices were up 6.6% in the month, while food prices jumped 0.8%. The output of the nation's factories, mines, and utilities rose 0.5% in June after two straight monthly declines. Capacity utilization, a gauge of inflationary pressures, rose to 79.9 from a revised 79.6% in May. The Mortgage Bankers Association said U.S. mortgage applications rose for a third consecutive week, reflecting an increase in demand for home loan refinancing as interest rates plunged. In news from Washington today, Treasury Secretary Paulson said that the Bush administration has no immediate plans to extend emergency loans to mortgage giants Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac or to purchase the stock of the two companies. Time Warner Inc.'s discussions to merge or sell its AOL Internet division with Microsoft or Yahoo has taken on new urgency ahead of Yahoo's August 1st shareholders meeting. We'll be watching that for you. Cleveland Cliffs, an iron and coal miner, announced it will buy coal producer Alpha Natural Resources for nearly $10 billion in cash and stock. And Volkswagen has chosen Chattanooga, Tennessee for its U.S. assembly plant that will employ about 2,000 workers and make a new midsize sedan as part of a plan to triple its sales in the U.S. by the year 2018. In economic reports tomorrow, expect the initial jobless claims report for the week of July 12th. Housing starts for June, and the July Philly Fed Index also scheduled to be released. Earnings today, Intel saying its net income was $1.6 billion or 28 cents a share in the quarter ending June 28th. That was 3 cents per share higher than what analysts were anticipating. Abbott Labs said it earned $1.32 billion or 85 cents a share. Analysts were expecting 79 cents, so they beat the street. And Delta Airlines says it lost $1.04 billion or $2.64 a share. Excluding one-time items, Delta says it earned 35 cents a share. Wells Fargo is saying its profit dropped 22% in the second quarter. Company reported it earned $1.75 billion or 53 cents a share in the April to June period. Analysts were looking for 50 cents a share. BE Aerospace, which manufactures aircraft cabin interior products, said it expects its second quarter earnings to beat Wall Street estimates when they release. Earnings coming out on Thursday include Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Google, Merrill Lynch, Colgate-Palmolive, Nokia, JP Morgan Chase, Continental Airlines, Capital One, Advanced Micro Devices, and TD Ameritrade, just to name a few. Stocks in the news today. General Motors B3 corporate family rating under review for possible downgrade in Moody's. Imperial Capital Bank Corp reporting second quarter net income falling 61% as it increased its provision for possible losses on bad loans. Hotels and Resorts, second quarter net income rising $190 million or 35 cents a share. And that is the Market Wrap on this Wednesday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.